YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Nubs here, back at Tampa Boys Customs. Got a little science experiment for you guys today. What we got here? We got some balloons. We got a Predator 6.5. We're gonna blow these balloons up with this Predator. Here you go, cameraman. Hold that for me. See how this works. Here we go. Oh, we gotta redo that. It didn't work that. It's like take 3. Blowing the balloon up. You guys don't want to blow your balloons up at home for your birthday parties and stuff? This is how you do it, folks. Grab your old go-kart up, mini bike, whatever you got, still blow on up. Look at this here. Ready to get to see it, folks. Can I blow it up? I don't know if I can blow it up, dude. It's kind of sketchy. Look at that thing, boy! This is so sketchy. Look at that balloon, guys! She is blown up! Go ahead and tie that thing. I can get this tape off. Boy, it got warm too. The exhaust is getting hot. Oh boy. Well, that worked though. That's a success. Yes! I know you guys got birthday parties and stuff at home. You don't feel like blowing your balloons up. Just break out your old go-kart or mini bike. She'll blow it right on up for you. The aftermath, guys. Balloon is still holding. I was kind of scared to blow it all the way up. I didn't know what would happen. You know, Tampa Boys Customs, you know. But, go, still holding there. Good stuff. Guys, like and subscribe. Have a great day.